Alright, so more learning as you go. So we took this end off to get the grease out, which was fine. But I think what happened is when I pushed the idler in with the skid steer, there's a check ball in here. And because I pushed it in with the skid steer, probably harder than I needed to, the check ball was jammed in this piece. So we managed to get it off, took a paper clip, pushed the check ball out, put it all back together, put the check ball back in after we broke it loose. Now it's taking grease, so we'll see what happens. All right, moment of truth.
We're going now.
What did we do last time? To it for a foot control bobcat skid steer specialist. Track back on, skid steer unstuck, and it is entirely too wet to do anything out here, so park, lock, headed to the house. Probably be going to start on a new project tomorrow. Wait for this to dry, get back over here and get this finished. See ya.